Various. One very peculiar grievance that came to me today was due to accidents. There is a cross somewhere in Shikali along the national highway. And due to accidents, the people have approached the landlord to gift some property. He is willing to gift. His property is 4,000 square meters, out of which he is willing to give some 400 square meters. But his land being orchard, Town and Country Planning is not in a position to give an NOC to the sub-register to register the deed. Now here is a situation where somebody is coming forward to gift his land or donate his land, but doesn't fit within the existing rules. So we'll have to find a solution as to what is the outcome, or what is the solution to this type of a situation. I believe we should come out with a solution, because as of now I'm told many accidents are taking place there. So it is in the interest of public that we find a solution to this type of a matter. Then other issues were like what you all have heard, cases before the deputy collector, cases before the Mamlatar, some PWD matters, some what do you call, various irrigation, WRD matters. Then somebody has come regarding correction of his birth certificate. So various issues, they keep coming and we try to find a solution to solve them.
Sir, there's the issue of Goa State Pollution Control Board aerial survey. So it was stopped in between. What could be the reason for that, sir?
The reason is very simple. It was stopped and not stopped. It was stopped by Alay Sikwara, which I think it was the Goan that highlighted it yesterday. I don't know if some other newspaper brought it. The fact is, I have stopped it. This issue was raised during the earlier assembly session in the month of February. There, I don't remember who was the MLA, but one of the MLAs raised an issue. And I believe the issue was right, because mapping of or survey of the coastal belt should be with the Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority and should not be falling under the purview of the Goa State Pollution Control Board. So that was the reason why, when this issue was brought up in the assembly, I gave an assurance that this will not be done by Goa State Pollution Control Board. As far as the GCZMA is concerned, GCZMA is in the process of, they've employed agencies to conduct survey. They are in the process of surveying. So according to me, it is duplication of work. One side, GCZMA is carrying out the order. The other side, Goa State Pollution Board is doing it. I see no role whatsoever in Pollution Control Board identifying structures. That is why we stopped. Next issue. Goa State Goa Pollution Board was to outsource this work. And my information is that the government of Goa owns 2 drones. So my contention is, if we have to do a drone survey, we have in-house the equipment, the machinery that is required. So why do we have to go to a third party when we have it in-house? I'm sure doing it in-house will cost much less than what would be the price we would have to pay for outsourcing.
So there's another issue. One advocate committed suicide, leaving a suicide note, blaming the police officer, claiming that the lady police officer was harassing him So, as a law minister, how do you see these things, sir?
As a law minister, you see, my first reaction would be I do not know the details of the case. Okay? I have read it on, I think, Facebook, but so what are the real facts in the matter? I do not know. So this is as far as Minister Alice Sequeira is concerned. As a human being, I think it is sad that somebody has given his life up. And I'm sure the government will conduct an inquiry. Let's give the government a few days. Because it is a serious charge. But just having made a charge, we still have to be sure that it is genuine.
पण सर तेतून एक आसा की आयओ जो आसा वो एक्युजाच्या घराकडे वचोंक जायना.
But
Inquiry करपाक?
I don't know the facts. I don't know the facts, so I can't comment.
इन्क्वायरी करपाक आयओ गेल्लो आनी हेजो अर्थ न्हू की एडवोकेटान थंय सुसायड केली.
No, I don't know the facts, so I cannot comment on that. Until I know the facts, I will not comment.
सर नुवे लोकल्सान एक इश्यू मांडलो दॅट they demand centralized हें कोण आसतना decentralized waste management system जायचो.
See the beauty
how you see
the beauty of many issues that are being raised vis-a-vis Nuvai constituency is that the people who raise these issues have never come to me. So I have no comments. Number one. Number two, this waste management plan, this proposal is not new. This proposal was there before I became an MLA. Nothing new. So everybody was sleeping for so many years. Now they've got up.
even they met, I think yesterday the minister.
No, they
waste
met the
management.
waste management. I read, I saw on Facebook. So
So as a doctor MLA, sir, how do you see?
how do I know what is the problem? Unless you tell me what are your issues.
So they have never approached you.
No,
for this problem.
they've never approached. See, the issue is basically if you try to politicalize things, then things go in a different direction.
So do you see this? It is a
And
political.
you have doubts? You have doubts?
No,
You are
I'm just
from.
asking.
I'm asking. You are from the area. You know all of them. You have doubts?
Sir, about last meeting, is there any follow-up of last meeting, sir? Because of
100%. Regarding your SGPDA,
yes,
we are on the verge of solving the problem. Out of 27 stalls, if I don't catch me for the exact figure, I think it's about 27 stalls.
42 total.
No, 27 chicken stalls.
Chicken 27. Yeah.
Okay? I think 21 have applied as of a few days ago. So I would assume the balance have applied now. The beef stall owners have applied. The mutton stall owners have applied. So we are solving it.
How about SGPDA?
They've
Because
also
directed them.
SGPDA has also applied, but you see, SGPDA would be given a temporary consent because the conditions that would be stipulated, you can't overnight deliver on them. They require some time. But they have also applied. Or they have expressed their desire to apply in writing.